Freckles the Flamingo. Created by Tamala. Once upon a time, in the sunniest and splashiest part of the jungle, there lived a flamingo named Freckles. Now, Freckles wasn't just any flamingo. Oh no, Freckles was a very special flamingo. She was tall, pink, and had long, skinny legs. But there was something else that made Freckles stand out. Freckles was the clumsiest flamingo you'd ever seen. Every time she took a step, something funny would happen. Her wobbly legs would go left, her big webbed feet would go right, and down she'd go, feathers flying everywhere. But Freckles didn't mind, not one bit. She had a heart full of sunshine, a smile as wide as the jungle river, and a brain that was packed with riddles. Freckles loved telling riddles. She would tell them to anyone who would listen, the monkeys swinging in the trees, the elephants by the river, and even the tiniest ants marching on the ground. And every time she told a riddle, she'd manage to do something hilariously clumsy. One day, Freckles strutted, or tried to, down the jungle path. She wanted to gather her animal friends for a special day of riddles and fun. But with every step she took, her legs went all wibbly-wobbly, and she tripped right into the soft mud. Freckles picked herself up, her feathers covered in dirt, but she smiled her biggest smile. "That's okay," she said. "Mud makes things funnier." Soon, Freckles found her best jungle buddies hanging out by the big pond. There was Gerry the Giraffe, who liked to munch leaves up high. There was Manny the Monkey, who was always swinging from tree to tree, and Polly the Parrot, who loved repeating everything she heard. "Everyone, gather round." Freckles squawked, flapping her wings excitedly. "I've got a riddle for you." The animals all leaned in, eager to hear what Freckles had in store. What has legs but can't walk, wings but can't fly, and always makes a big All the animals gasped. Could it be a strange jungle creature they didn't know about? Or maybe a mysterious animal they'd never met? A fish with shoes? Manny the Monkey guessed, scratching his head. Polly the Parrot, of course, had to copy him. "A fish with shoes. A fish with shoes," she squawked. Gerry the Giraffe, munching on some leaves, said thoughtfully, "Maybe it's a bird taking a nap." Freckles burst out laughing, wobbling on her legs. "Nope, nope. The answer is..." Freckles tried to stand proudly on one leg, but of course, her wobbly knees gave out, and she fell right into the pond. The animals laughed so hard, their bellies shook like jelly. "The answer is me." Freckles giggled, popping her head out of the water, droplets flying from her feathers. From that day on, the animals called Freckles the Riddle Flamingo, and every time she came around, they knew two things for sure: they'd hear a riddle, and they'd see her make a big splash. One afternoon, when the jungle was calm and the sun was shining bright, Freckles wobbled over to the animals again. She had that big, mischievous grin on her face, the one she wore when she was about to tell a riddle. "Okay, everybody," she called. "What do you call a flamingo who can't stop falling into the pond?" The animals all scratched their heads and looked at each other. Manny the Monkey rubbed his chin. Maybe a soggy bird?" Polly the Parrot piped up, repeating, "Soggy bird. Soggy bird." Gerry the Giraffe thought for a second. "How about a feathered fish?" Freckles wobbled a bit, and before the animals could guess again, she went into the pond. She went, flapping and squawking. When Freckles finally surfaced, she grinned and said, "A wet flamingo." The animals howled with laughter, and Polly couldn't stop repeating, "Wet flamingo. Wet flamingo." But the fun didn't stop there. Freckles always had another riddle, ready to turn any clumsy moment into something hilarious. A few days later, Freckles invited her friends for a game by the pond. She stood on the edge of the water, balancing as best as she could on her long legs. "Here's a tricky one," she said with a smirk. "Why did the flamingo bring an umbrella to the pond?" The animals were puzzled. "To stay cool in the sun," guessed Gerry the Giraffe. "To catch fish," Manny the Monkey added. But Freckles shook her head, her feathers ruffling in the wind. "Nope. Because she always makes a..." Sure enough, she tumbled headfirst into the water, sending waves splashing everywhere. The animals roared with laughter. Freckles popped up, grinning from ear to ear. Because she always makes a splash. The jungle animals laughed and laughed, knowing that no matter how clumsy Freckles was, she always had a way to brighten their day with a riddle and a tumble. And so, from that day on, whenever the jungle felt a little too quiet or the animals needed cheering up, they would call for Freckles the Funny Flamingo. And every time, Freckles would waddle over, wobble on her legs, and say, "Why did the clumsy flamingo cross the jungle?" To tell you a riddle, and to take a big splash along the way. And with that, Freckles would always trip, tumble, and, you guessed it, the jungle would fill with laughter once again, thanks to Freckles, the clumsiest, funniest flamingo in all the land. The end. Please like and subscribe. Good night for now.